everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you the beautiful cottage-inspired completed laundry room in Mom's Lake House. Welcome back to my channel today. I am so excited to share with you another completed room in my parents' lake cottage today. I haven't shared too many of the other rooms in their house besides their master bedroom here on my channel, but if you've been reading my blog and following along on my social media, you'll have seen some mood boards and progress of my parents' kitchen and their laundry room, and I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to check out some of those mood boards and the almost finished kitchen on my blog. In case you're new here, I post videos about DIY and decor ideas on a budget, and if you like that sort of thing, make sure to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to be the first to hear of my latest DIY and decor ideas. For my parents' laundry room, my mom wanted a very classic cottage look, so lots of neutral colors with wood accents. Here's the mood board we put together for the idea, for the feel for this laundry room. So lots of warm woods and blues and whites. The stars of the show here are this washer and dryer pair from Maytag. They sponsored this project and my mom and dad are so thrilled. They cannot wait to wash their laundry in this beautiful washer and dryer set. Right now they're using ours, so they're really excited to have some of their own once they move into their cottage. Now let me show you the reveal of this space.
Welcome to my parents' beautiful laundry room in their cottage. Handmade wooden shelves add character to the inexpensive off-white cabinets in this room. My mom and dad even made a DIY hutch to store linens using pre-made cabinets, crown molding, and some project board they found at the local hardware store. The wall color is a soft gray-green called Bare Hazy Trail, and it's the same color as in their master bedroom. The stars of the show are the Maytag front-load washer and dryer from the brick, and they're nestled under a beautifully stained wooden countertop that will be the perfect place for my parents to fold laundry and store laundry accessories. I really like the color of this laundry pair because it's neutral and almost industrial looking, and I think it could work just as well in a modern setting as it does in this more rustic one. A set of pretty wicker baskets helps store things in this laundry room, and I think they work well both in the cupboards and on the countertop. I'm always a huge fan of using baskets to hide things in. Another beautiful handmade item in this room is this pretty little ironing board holder and shelf that my parents made out of more project board and wooden shelf brackets. The custom hutch in the corner is the perfect place to store extra bedding and linens, and I love how it carries the theme of white and wood throughout the space. The faux marble floor tiles are bright and neutral, and they echo the marble accents that you might have seen on my blog in Mom's Lake House kitchen. I am so thrilled that my parents now have this dreamy laundry room to work in. Don't you think they did an absolutely amazing job? It perfectly matches the rest of their home so far, and I think it's the ideal lake cottage laundry room.
Thanks so much for taking a tour of my parents' finished laundry room. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this laundry room and what your favorite part is. I think my favorite part is probably both the washer and dryer pair and also the custom shelves that my mom made. Thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and home decor ideas. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!